Unleashing Potential, an MBA crash course on business strategy in emerging technologies. Introduction. Welcome to our MBA crash course on business strategy in emerging technologies. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the exciting world of emerging technologies, share captivating stories and examples, provide an overview of the top 12 business strategies in emerging technologies, and conclude with a poetic and melodic tribute to the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Section 1. Business Strategy in Emerging Technologies. Business strategy in emerging technologies involves identifying and capitalizing on new technologies that have the potential to disrupt industries and create competitive advantages. It requires a forward-thinking approach, a deep understanding of market trends, and the ability to navigate the complexities of emerging ecosystems. Let's delve into intriguing stories and examples that illustrate the power of business strategy in emerging technologies. Story 1. Netflix's transformational pivot. Netflix, originally a DVD rental service, recognized the potential of streaming technology and strategically shifted its focus. By leveraging emerging technologies, they disrupted the traditional television and movie rental industry and became a dominant player in the streaming market. Their strategy of investing in original content and utilizing data-driven personalization propelled them to global success. Example 1. Airbnb's disruption of hospitality. Airbnb, a pioneer in the sharing economy, harnessed the power of emerging technologies to connect homeowners with travelers. By utilizing mobile applications, secure payment systems, and user-generated reviews, they transformed the hospitality industry. Their strategic approach focused on creating a unique and personalized travel experience, challenging traditional hotel chains. Section 2. Top 12 Business Strategies in Emerging Technologies. To effectively navigate the world of emerging technologies, organizations must adopt strategies that enable them to leverage new innovations, gain a competitive edge, and seize growth opportunities. Here are the top 12 business strategies in emerging technologies. 1. Early adoption. Being an early adopter of emerging technologies to gain a first-mover advantage and establish a strong market presence. 2. Strategic partnerships. Forming alliances and collaborations with technology startups, universities, and research institutions to access cutting-edge innovations and expertise. 3. Innovation labs. Creating dedicated innovation labs or research centers to explore and experiment with emerging technologies and develop new solutions. 4. Talent acquisition and development. Attracting and retaining top talent with expertise in emerging technologies to drive innovation and stay ahead of the competition. 5. Ecosystem engagement. Actively participating in technology ecosystems, such as industry consortia and open-source communities, to share knowledge and collaborate on industry-wide standards. 6. Agile Decision-Making. Embracing agile methodologies and iterative decision-making processes to quickly adapt to the evolving landscape of emerging technologies. 7. Customer-Centric Approach. Focusing on understanding customer needs and pain points, and utilizing emerging technologies to deliver personalized and enhanced experiences. 8. Data-driven insights. Leveraging data analytics and artificial intelligence to extract meaningful insights and inform strategic decision-making. 9. Scalable infrastructure. Investing in scalable and flexible infrastructure, such as cloud computing and edge computing, to support the adoption and integration of emerging technologies. 10. Regulatory compliance. Proactively monitoring and complying with evolving regulations and ethical considerations related to emerging technologies, ensuring responsible and sustainable implementation. 11. Intellectual property protection. Safeguarding intellectual property rights through patents, copyrights, and trade secrets, to protect valuable innovations and gain a competitive advantage. 12. Continuous learning. Encouraging a culture of continuous learning and innovation, providing employees with training opportunities and resources to stay updated on emerging technologies and their potential applications. Section 3. Summary. In this MBA crash course on business strategy in emerging technologies, we explored the dynamic landscape of emerging technologies and their potential to transform industries. Through captivating stories and examples, we witnessed how organizations like Netflix and Airbnb strategically leveraged emerging technologies to disrupt their respective industries and gain a competitive edge. We then delved into the top 12 business strategies in emerging technologies, highlighting the importance of early adoption, strategic partnerships, talent acquisition, customer centricity, and more. Business strategy in emerging technologies requires a proactive and adaptive mindset. Organizations must continually scan the horizon for new technological advancements, assess their potential impact, and develop strategies to harness their power. It is crucial to foster a culture of innovation, where experimentation, risk-taking, and learning from failure are encouraged. Successful implementation of business strategy in emerging technologies goes beyond the adoption of new tools and technologies. It requires a holistic approach that considers the organizational structure, processes, and capabilities. It involves aligning technology initiatives with business goals, engaging stakeholders, and managing change effectively. Organizations that embrace business strategy in emerging technologies position themselves as pioneers in their industries. They have the opportunity to shape the future and create new business models that leverage the transformative power of technology. By staying ahead of the curve, they can unlock new revenue streams, enhance operational efficiency, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Section 4. Poem, Embracing the Potential. In the realm of innovation, where possibilities arise. Emerging technologies, a beacon in disguise. Strategies of the future, awaiting our command. Unleashing potential, across the land. Early adoption, a path to explore. Pioneers we become, forevermore. Strategic partnerships, a collaboration dance. Harvesting brilliance, in this digital expanse. Innovation labs, where ideas ignite. Creating solutions, shining bright. Talent acquisition, a quest for the best. Innovators united, on this noble quest. Engaging ecosystems, a symphony of minds. Sharing knowledge, where innovation finds. Agile decision-making, nimble and quick. Adapting to change, a powerful trick. Customer centricity, the heart of our aim. Delivering experiences, to fuel the flame. Data-driven insights, guiding our way. Informed decisions, where success will stay. Scalable infrastructure, built to endure. Enabling transformation, forevermore. Regulatory compliance, ethics as our guide. Responsibly advancing, side by side. Intellectual property, a treasure to protect. Innovation secure, no room for neglect. Continuous learning, a never-ending song. Expanding horizons, where knowledge belongs. In this journey of strategy, in emerging domains. The future awaits, with endless gains. Embrace the potential, seize the unknown. Business and technology, forever entwined. Section 5. Song, The Power of Tomorrow. Verse 1. In a world of innovation, where dreams take flight. Emerging technologies, shining with might. From early adoption to partnerships grand. We're charting the course, with future in hand. Chorus. Business strategy in the realm of the new. Harnessing technology, to break through. Innovation and agility, our guiding light. Together we'll conquer, with all of our might. Verse 2. Innovation labs, where ideas collide. Talent acquisition, expertise we'll ride. Ecosystem engagement, a network of trust. Agile decisions, adapting to adjust. Bridge. Customer-centric focus, a personal touch. Data-driven insights, revealing so much. Scalable infrastructure, the backbone we build. Regulatory compliance, our promises fulfilled. Chorus. Business strategy in emerging tech's embrace. Unlocking potential, with elegance and grace. Intellectual property, guarding our crown. Continuous learning, forever profound. Outro. As we conclude this MBA crash course. Business strategy in emerging tech's force. Embrace the potential, the power of tomorrow. For in this digital age, we'll triumph and grow. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.